Getting started with MyBets is easy. First, download the app from either the App Store or Play Store. We'll then send you an invite email. Click on the link and create a password. Next, log in with your username and password. This must be done in an area where you have Wi-Fi. Alternatively, you can try it out for yourself in demo mode. Just enter demo@mybets360.com for the email address and 123 for the password. Once you've logged in, you do not require a Wi-Fi signal to use the app. The dashboard shows how many mechanical rooms you have. When you click Mechanical Rooms, you'll see a list of your mechanical rooms. Click on any mechanical room you want, like the boiler room, to see all the equipment in that room. You will notice 3 buttons: Scan Equipment, Perform Inspection, and Sign Out. If your room has been labeled with QR codes, you can easily find your equipment information by using the Scan Equipment button. If you're required to do mechanical room inspections, you can use our simple-to-use inspection form. Just click Perform Inspection to get started. If there's an asterisk in the field, you must enter the required information. For example, you'll see that boiler number 1 shows radio buttons. Simply press the appropriate button. If there is a field for comments, you can either type in the information or use the microphone. And if you need to insert a photo or video, you can take a picture on the app or use a photo or video from your photo gallery. If you're using a video, it must be under 1 minute long. Next, if your report is urgent and needs to be brought to a manager's attention ASAP, click Send Critical Notification. When finished, press the Save and Close button. When you're ready to leave the mechanical room, click Sign Out. Now, let's click on boiler number 1 for details on that item. Click on Document Library to review all saved information. Once there, you can click Wiring Diagram, for instance, to instantly bring up that document, or click on the video to learn how to do something. You'll also notice that there are 2 icons at the bottom of your screen. The one on the left contains all the documents for this mechanical room, while the one on the right shows the complete service history for the mechanical room. To start a repair ticket, press the green Vendor Repair button. Then enter the company name, job status, and any relevant information about the repair. Press Save. When finished, press the Sign Out button. You don't need to log out of the app. For more information, visit us at www.mybets360.com.